This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Reddoch Hooks. Looking for a shop? This could be what you've been wanting. 60 by 30 foot shop for restoring vehicles or whatever you want, with an office, storage space and a half bathroom. The shop is in a private area near the end of the road by City of DeRidder property. Call Century 21 Quality Service Realtor, Reddoch Hooks 337-463-2121, office 337-375-2129, cell. For more information, review the details below or contact Reddoch Hooks at 1337-463-2121.